Hey, I just wanted to do a really quick demo of Tabgen. So let me just show you how I do it. I'm going to use my Bezier tool, and I'm just going to draw a line like this, and maybe like this. All right, because Tabgen works on straight segments, we're going to have to change this to be straight segments. Easy enough to do. The first thing I'm going to do is use my node tool. I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to tap this plus button over here to add new nodes until it approximates the shape. This will give me lots and lots of nodes. Then I'm going to click over here on this Make Selected Segments Lines. Okay, now we have an approximation with lots of tabs, or sorry, with lots of nodes. So on totally straight lines, we don't need multiple tabs. So I'm just going to delete the extra ones. That created a curve because I didn't press Control Delete. I should have pressed Control Delete. But the rest of these are as I want them. Now let's say I want tabs on all sides of this. Easy enough to do. Just select your figure here. Make sure that it has a stroke applied. And once you install the extension, you'll come under Extensions, Papercraft, and Tabgen. In this case, we don't have any inside features, so it's just on the outside. If you need very delicate tabs, you might want to decrease this to like 0.05 or 7 just to have extra nodes. If there's not any really close features, you can leave it at the default. And I'm going to click Apply. And we are done. So we have now our original piece, and we have a piece with tabs. This piece you can use as a decorative piece, so if you're doing structure and you want a wrapper piece, you can change that. So this would be your structure piece. It's already got all the tabs and the score lines on it, and you can go to town however you want. So that's a quick demo.